More millionaires have been made through real estate than almost any other investment in history. Why? Because it's tangible. People always need a place to live. It offers the holy trinity of wealth: monthly cash flow, long-term appreciation, and massive tax benefits. But if it's so great, why isn't everyone doing it? Most people think you need to be rich to start, or they're terrified of a 3 a.m. call about a broken toilet. Today, we're demystifying the process. This is the realistic, step-by-step roadmap to building a long-term wealth machine. Part 1, the reality check. Forget what you see on TV. Real estate investing isn't flipping a house in a weekend for $0 down. It's not a passive investment. It's a passive income source that requires active work to set up. If you treat it like a hobby, it will cost you like a hobby. We are focusing on the most proven strategy for beginners: buy and hold. You buy a residential property and rent it out for the long term. Simple, but effective. Part 2, the 3 pillars. You can't build a house on a shaky foundation. Before you look at properties, you need to look at these 3 pillars. Pillar 1, credit. Conventional lenders want stability. If your score is low, fix it first.
Pillar 2, capital. You'll typically need a 20 to 25% down payment, plus closing costs. Crucially, you need cash reserves. Do not empty your savings. Things will break the day after you close. Pillar 3, pre-approval. Find a lender who specializes in investment properties. Get a letter so sellers know you're a serious buyer, not a window shopper. Part 3, the math, emotional versus analytical. This is where most beginners fail. They buy with their hearts. They fall in love with a cute house. As an investor, you don't care about cute. You care about return on investment. Look for boring locations. Boring is profitable. Focus on areas with good schools, low crime, and job growth. Then run the numbers using the cash flow formula. Take your monthly rent and subtract everything: mortgage, taxes, insurance, and HOA fees. But don't stop there. You must also subtract a percentage for vacancies and future repairs, like a new roof. If there's money left over, you have positive cash flow. If the number is negative, you are investing. You're gambling. Part 4, managing the machine. Once you close, you have a choice. Are you a landlord or an investor?
Self-management. You handle the tenants and the repairs. It saves money, but costs you time. Property management. You hire professionals for a percentage of the rent. If you want truly passive income, build the cost of a manager into your math from day one. If a deal only works if you do the labor for free, it's not a great deal. Part 5, low-cost alternatives. If you don't have the cash yet, consider 2 entry points. REITs, like buying stocks, but for real estate. You can start on your phone with $20. House hacking. Buy a duplex with a low down payment loan. Live in one unit, rent the other. Your tenants pay your mortgage while you live for free. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Your first property won't make you rich overnight. It might only net you a few $100s a month. But in 10 years, your tenants have paid down the mortgage, the property value has climbed, and your rents have increased. That's when you use your equity to buy the second, third, and fourth properties. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait.